The best day of the year, March 17, is coming up, and I'm going to show you this party in a bag. It comes with everything you need to celebrate St. Patrick's the right way. I'm going to this comes in there, but I want to do the video real nice. I like this. Okay, now I'm ready with the St. Patty spirit. So what comes in this party in the bag? It comes with the hat with a nice clover right there. It has the buckle on the side, so this looks almost like the one that I'm wearing right now. Okay, what else comes in here? The bow tie. Really cute. You guys are gonna party and have a lot of fun with this thing. You're gonna have to buy your own white shirt or whatever shirt you're gonna wear. I recommend a white shirt. And here are the suspenders, and the suspenders are important because those suspenders are gonna keep your quilt up. Some people call it a skirt, but really it's a quilt. You know, this is well made. You don't have to use it only in March 17. You can use it the whole year. You do you. But it's awesome. Okay? And I recommend you use underwear under this quilt. Word on the street is that these guys don't wear it, but hey. So, your green socks, of course. So you're gonna wear your green socks. You get some nice Doc Martens with this. The quilt, right? The bow tie, the hat, and of course, the suspenders. Check it out. Let me take them out. Wait, check it out. So the suspenders are really nice. You see? Real green, really nice, real cute. And of course, right? Shot glasses. So you're gonna take a string and you're gonna put the string through here, right? And you're gonna hold these shot glasses here, so you have some nice Jameson whiskey with this, right? Or put some beer, or you're gonna have some green beer. But first, of course, you're gonna have your nice corned beef, right? Listen to some Irish music and have fun. In Puerto Rico, St. Patrick's is one of the most important days of the year. We party like crazy that day, and I have fun memories of partying in St. Patrick's, March 17, March 16 as well. So, St. Patrick's Eve. So, super recommended.